Good morning, students. I am Vasant Kumar, Biology faculty of Kursi High School. Why we are starting online classes? You know very well. This 2020 has become very dangerous for us to survive ourselves because this COVID-19. It's a very dangerous virus spreading from one person to another person. So that's why stay at home, be safe. This quotation you have heard so many times, but it is very important to practice in our life. Same quotation is very easy, but following the instruction is very important. So stay at home and be safe. Do not forget to wearing a mask. Do not go away from the home unless it is very important. So do not forget to, when you go away from the home, after coming to home, you should compulsory wash your hands, or you can use sanitization. So today we are going to discuss 9th class biology session 1 introduction classes. So all the students, I welcome to the 9th class. So 9th class is a very important. It is not enjoying because next year we are going to enter into the 10th class. That's why I always say 9th class is also very important for your future. When you study hard in the 9th class, you will get more marks in 10th class. If you neglect the 9th class, you will not able to read in 10th class. That's why compulsory 9th class also is very important. And before entering into the class, I will give P4. What is P4? It is not from the syllabus. It's from the out. So first one is planning. First one is planning. You must have planning. We must have planning in our life. Without planning, we can't do anything. Whatever may be, if you construct a house, you must have a planning. So whatever may be, planning is a must. Second one is preparation. When you plan what to read, timetable is a timetable planning. And the second one is preparation. And the third one is practice. Most of the students, they plan, they prepare, but they will not practice. Such type of student, they will not success in their life. And the last one is presentation. Presentation. Some students they plan, they fail in preparation. Some students they plan, they prepare, but they fail in practice. Some students they plan, they prepare, they practice, but they fail in presentation. These 4 P's are very important for us. Planning must be there, preparation should be there, and you should practice, and the last one is presentation. Then only we will get good result. These are 4 P's. You should not forget in your life these 4 P's. We will enter into the introduction class, 9th class. In 9th class biology, there are 11 units is there. How many units? 11. The first units, it's begin with cell, its structure and function. Cell, its structure and functions. Our life itself begins with the cell. In our body, trillions of cells is there. Trillions of cells. plant body also made up of with the cell. So cell is very important for our life. Our body is made up of with its cell. And the second one, plant tissue. Second lesson, plant tissue. What is tissue? Group of cell is called as tissue. Group of cell is called as tissue. And the third lesson, animal tissue. Both lessons are similar, and the small differences is there between the plant tissue and animal tissues. Different functions is there. And the fourth lesson, plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. What is this plasma membrane? It's a one layer and the cell. Cell is made up of the three layers. Cell is made up with three parts we can call. One is a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. Or also we can call cell membrane. And inner side and the middle parts of the cell, the nucleus is present. Nucleus. There is a liquid substance is present between the plasma membrane and the nucleus. This substance is called as cytoplasma. Cytoplasma. So, cell structure and the functions. Second unit, plant tissue. Third one is animal tissue. And the fourth one is plasma membrane. And fifth unit is called as diversity in living organism. Diversity in living organisms. What is diversity? It's nothing but different. What is a living organism? Plant is a living organism. Animal is a living organism. What differences is there in the living organisms? Differences in plants and differences in animals. And the sixth units is called sense organs. Sense organs. What is sense organs? How many types of sense organs is there? So such type of things we are going to discuss in 6th units, that is sense organs. 7th units, animal behavior. Animal behavior. We must have one question here. Animal behavior. Animals also have behavior. Yes. Animals also, they laugh. Animals also cry. Animals also show their sadness. So it is very interesting lesson. Animal behavior. 8 units. Challenges. Challenges in improving. Challenges in improving agricultural product. What challenges we have in improving agricultural products? Agriculture is very important to our life. Without agriculture, we cannot get food materials. The 9 units, adaptation in different ecosystem. Adaptation in different ecosystem. What is adaptation? Adapting in different ecosystem. What is ecosystem? What is habitat? What is environment? Such type of subtopics we are going to discuss in adaptation in different ecosystem. And the last two lessons are general lessons. 10th units, soil pollution. Soil pollution. The last unit is its geochemical cycles. Geochemical cycles. So, how many units is there in 9th class biology? Only 11 units. First one unit is cell its structure and functions. Second unit is plant tissue. Tissue is nothing but it's a group of cell. Then the third one is animal tissue. Plasma membrane. We discussed what is plasma membrane in cell. The main three parts is the cell membrane or plasma membrane. Any substance entering into the cell, it should be go through the plasma membrane. And in the middle, nucleus is there. The liquid substances between the nucleus and the membrane is called as cytoplasma. And the fifth one is diversity in living organisms. What differences in the living organisms? The sixth one is sense organs. We have 5 sense organs. Eye, like ear, nose, tongue and the skin. The seventh one is animal behavior. Animal also behave. Animal also show crying. Animals also show sadness. They laugh. They jump. So eighth one is challenges in improving agricultural products. And ninth one is adaptation in different ecosystem. The 10th and 11th lesson are 2 general lessons. Soil pollution. Type of pollutions. Water pollution. Soil pollution. Air pollution. Land pollution. Sound pollution also is there. Such type of different types of pollutions we are going to see in the 10th units. The last one is geochemical. Bio is nothing but life. Geo is nothing but land. So, chemical cycles, geochemical cycles. So, these are the 11 units. These are the 11 units in 9th class. So, today homework, you should learn all the unit names. Read and write without seeing. Read and write without seeing. If you read, you need compulsory textbook. That's why. Without textbook, you can't understand. After listening the lesson, you compulsory read once or twice the lesson. That's why you compulsory buy the textbooks, the materials from the school. So today homework is you should learn all the unit names and write it without seeing. Okay. Thank you so very much for this today introduction class. I hope you enjoy the class.